Welcome back, everyone, with Not Your Advisor and NYU Grads Daily Podcast. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. I have a lot to cover. I want to jump right into it, but I also wanted to share a award slash honor with all of my subscribers on Substack. So early this morning, I noticed that there was a big swing of new subscribers, a couple hundred, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. And around mid-morning, I got the email, as well as saw on the Substack app that the Substack Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad was featured. So first and foremost, I want to share this feature with all of you because you're all what made this possible. Obviously, I enjoy putting the content, but it seems that subscribers find value and it continues to grow. So thank you to everyone. This is a communal honor. I did make a post about this on Substack in the morning, and you can check it out. I'll link it, but it's titled, I would like to thank the Substack Academy, with a image of Cillian Murphy from the Oscars and his big Best Actor win at Oscars night. Definitely humbled by this, and it will make sure that I continue to work hard to share content on a daily basis, which I love and enjoy doing, but it's also hard work too. In between all of the other things going on in the markets. But let's jump right in. So before I get into the markets, I also did want to kind of share some festivities, so to speak, and extend the annual discount that I had going on for the Year of the Dragon and the Lunar New Year. So until the end of March, if you sign up for premium on the annual plan, you can get 20% off that annual plan. It comes out to 40 cents per day. And just as a quick heads up, it'll lock in prices forever. Prices will be going up in April 1st, to annual of $260 and $25 per month for a monthly subscription. So this is a good opportunity to lock in the rate as well as get that 20% discount. I will link it in the show notes, or you can just go to nyugrad.substack.com/featured to get that discount. The other bit of housekeeping is if you're a free subscriber and you want a 30-day one-time comp on premium, all you have to do is email me or message me through Substack, and I will hook that up. All of those links and information will be on the show notes, but let's jump into today's action. So looking at breadth, we had 344 new highs versus 115 new lows. Now, if you follow this podcast in the past, you'll know that pretty much every day we've been anywhere from 900 to 1,100 new highs every day versus like 90 to 150 new lows. So with what happened on Friday with the reversal in the semis and NVIDIA, I would say today's complexion is kind of a hangover from the Friday session. It seems like everyone is waiting on bated breath for the CPI data coming out on Tuesday and the PPI data coming out on Thursday. Taking a look at the indices, I believe the Russell led to the downside the most. The Dow closed up 46 points or 0.12%. The NASDAQ closed down 65 points or 0.4%. The S&P closed down 5.75 points or 0.11%. Taking a look at mega cap land, you had a mixed bag really. You had Microsoft down pretty much 0.5%, NVIDIA down 2%, Apple was up 1.1, Google was up 1.9, Amazon was down 1.9, Meta was down 4.4. You had a bit of a pullback in Eli Lilly, down 3.64, but healthcare in general seems to be holding up really well. Looking at sectors today, it was a split tape, meaning we had just as many green sectors as red. The green sectors were energy up 0.59%, consumer defensive up 0.56%, basic materials up 0.41%. To the downside, you had tech down 0.68%, industrials down 0.5%, and consumer cyclicals down 0.4%. So that was kind of the gist of the macro landscape of the markets today. Let's dig in a little bit deeper here on today's action. So what really stuck out was the 10-year yield fighting back above 4.1%. Keep an eye on that. As you know, 4.5 is my line in the sand for risk off. We're starting to see some cracks here, though, since last Thursday, Friday. Gold has a doji candle, which basically signifies indecision. It looks like a spinning, like a top, basically. So we need more cards out of the deck on gold. Nvidia was down 2%, as I mentioned earlier. New York Community Bank down another 5%. So let me kind of do my usual and rattle off what was strong and weak. All right, to the upside. These are all in percentages, okay? Roblox up 5.26. BRRR, which is a Bitcoin ETF, up 4.12. MicroStrategies up 4.11. ARK-B, which is basically the ARK bullish ETF, up 4.05. BTCL, Bitcoin ETF, up 3.99. IBIT, Bitcoin ETF, up 3.97. Kinross Gold, up 3.91. FBTC, another Bitcoin, up 3.89. PaySafe, up 3.86. Zoom, up 3.75. VIX, up 3.26. And TZA, which is the short of IWM Russell, up 2.33, and Las Vegas Sands up 2.14%. What was weak? You had Marathon Digital down 12.1%, Bitfarms down 10.49%, Carvana down 8.44%, Backblaze down 8.3%, Boyle, which is natural gas bull ETF, down 6.55%, ACMR Semiconductor name down 6%, SMCI down 5.24%, New York Community Bank down 4.97%, Wayfair down 4.44%, Meta down 4.42%, AMD down 4.34%, MongoDB down 4.29%, Affirm Holdings down 4%, Biddy down 3.93%, that is the Bitcoin ETF, ARM down 3.61%, Kura Sushi 3.45%, ASML 3.18%, natural gas down 2.99, Lyft down 2.79, UNG down 2.73, Lam Research down 2.66, Palantir down 2.65, AI down 2.62, DoorDash down 2.3, K Hovanian 2.14, and Nvidia down 2%. So we still need a lot more cards out of the deck. Keep an eye out for some economic data. As I mentioned, on Tuesday, tomorrow morning, you have 8:30 core CPI numbers coming out. And Thursday, you have retail sales and PPI numbers coming out. Thank you again for subscribing. Let's all enjoy a nice dinner or a nice drink to celebrate the Substack feature. For the free subscribers, I will see you all after the Tuesday session. For premium, please stay on. Just as a reminder, for free subscribers, you can email me or DM me for a comped 30-day premium, or you can skip that and just upgrade with the 20% discount for the annual. And I'll see you all after the Tuesday session.